Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Summers, director and founder of the Aesthetic Institute. Super excited to introduce this concept to Maryland where licensed estheticians can become certified and trained in medical aesthetics and then have a guarantee for employment as a medical esthetician. I've been involved in medical education for decades. I actually created the very first multimedia training program for estheticians and nurses and doctors, residents to learn about wound care and suturing and knot tying back in the early 90s. It was put in the National Library of Medicine, and I was flown all around the country to teach all of these different medical and paramedical professionals how to take care of patients. I've been involved in research in developing different informatics related to medical education. As a plastic surgeon, I developed one of the first medical spas and laser centers in Maryland. We've been training nurse practitioners and nurses and other doctors for a couple of decades now. We've had a lot of different estheticians go through our practice and learn about medical aesthetics, get trained in medical aesthetics, and deliver services to patients. The demand has been ever increasing. The technology has gotten better. The ability to deliver services has increased and improved. And it really seems to be the right time to develop and bring forth the ability for people to deliver medical aesthetics to the rest of the community. A lot of medical practices are looking for individuals to join them who already have experience. So it's very difficult, I think, for people to break into the medical aesthetics field. I've designed a program that is end-to-end, meaning we take people through everything they need to know from anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, different patient factors, legal issues, ethical issues, how to work in a medical practice, and teach them all about both the practice itself as well as the different aesthetic procedures. Our students will even be in the operating room where they can see and participate and assist in medical aesthetic procedures. Once a student graduates from our training program, they're guaranteed employment as a medical esthetician. We actually will provide them with the ability to help bring in new clients, patients that they'll be able to treat, participate in their care, and deliver all these medical aesthetic services in conjunction with our team of medical aesthetic providers here at the Aesthetic Institute. Of course, here we also have Maryland Plastic Surgery and the Pure Med Spa. So medical estheticians that get employed here will have the ability to work across all those different business entities. Looking at national statistics, an esthetician, a licensed esthetician, typically can about double or more their income as a medical esthetician. So right away, it's a huge benefit from a financial aspect. Students that graduate, if they would like to, can become instructors at the Aesthetic Institute, and they can participate in all of the other treatments that we provide here. At the Aesthetic Institute, we've created two different types of programs that enable prospective students to reduce their fees for their tuition. First, we have a scholarship program. Prospective students can enroll in our scholarship program and perform a variety of different tasks that will enable them to reduce their overall tuition. They actually get a credit towards their tuition, and it reduces the overall fee by about 25%. The other offer that we have for prospective students is our Earn to Learn program. The Earn to Learn program recognizes the fact that many of our prospective students are currently employed, they're currently working, and they're maybe not ready to start the medical aesthetics training program yet, but they're very interested in doing so in the future. what we've done is create a scenario where those individuals can work towards their tuition, pay off a good portion of their tuition before they even start the medical aesthetics training program here at the Aesthetic Institute.